How's it going, everybody? This video you are about to watch has been shortened. The original video is about 30 minutes long. In that original video, I teach you step by step how to install this Titan window in this particular year truck. That video is available for purchase on SiempreTumbado.com underneath the Titan Windows tab. Again, I show you step by step how to install this window in that video.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Ro with SiempreTumbado, back with another video, man. Got this clean single cab in all the way from Querétaro, Mexico. Check it out, man. This is the first time I actually seen a truck, actually built in Mexico in person. Check it out, bro. It's pretty badass. Hecho in Mexico. All the stickers are in Spanish. All the tire stickers, all the information stickers. It's pretty dope. Man, check out this interior in this truck. It almost looks like a King Ranch interior. All from factory, guys, all from factory. So he bought the truck over there. He brought it over here to work a little bit. He brought it to me. He's from Gainesville. He's about 2 hours away. He brought it to me so I can install a Titan rear window. And as soon as I'm done this Christmas, he's taking it back to Mexico and he's leaving it over there. So it's going to be a little Mexico truck. And we're also going to be installing a sunroof in the next video. But this video right here today, we're going to be installing the Titan window. Let me show you what we're working with. It looks like it was done in Mexico, judging by the Car Audio Cocoño or whatever. I don't know what that is. Probably the company out there. He really wants to keep the box, so I'm going to install this window without a drain pan. I told him, I'll do my best to try to stretch that seal and put a little bit of sealing in between the centers so it don't leak. That way you can keep your speaker box, and it should work out perfectly. So guys, right now I'm going to take everything apart. I'm probably going to pull the seats all the way forward. I might have to take that center console out in order to get this box out. That's the way it's looking. But guys, this is a clean ass truck, man. Well guys, tune in for this video. I'm going to show you step by step how you install a Titan window in a 2000, I think it's a 17 Silverado or GMC Sierra. It's a, what year is that? It's a 14. So I'm going to show you how to install a Titan window in a 2014 Silverado. Alright guys, got a little bit of progress here. About an hour later. I got the seat out. Surprisingly, man, these new model seats are easy to take out. You just take out the Torx bolt. I want to say it's a 40, the two in the back, and it just lift it forward and slide it out. There ain't even no bolts in the front. Right now, I measured my my center here to make so I can cut it. I got to cut the panel out to make room for the Titan window to slide down. I'm gonna drill these out. After I cut the sides, I'm gonna drill out these spot welds, and that'll pop right off. And then cut out the window and it'll be pretty much ready to glue. And then I gotta get the headliner pulled still, but I haven't pulled that. But man, check out this system, man. I ain't gonna lie, this system was done nice. I'm gonna ask him where he got it done at, but just it's awesome, man. Just the way it's built, the way they wired it, the way they ran the wires. Look at the wires, everything's nicely ran and clean. It's a little, it's got a little dirt back here, but the way they did it, shout out to the shop that did this. They did a real good job. Get a little soap and water. The window cutting tool. Alright everybody, this is where we're at. I gotta say, this is gonna be one of the cleanest installs that I've done. I love the way on this body style. This is the 14 through 18 year, I think it is. So yeah, look at that gap. That gap is beautiful. And come up. Come up. So one thing I'm gonna do, I haven't seen nobody do it. I'm gonna give y'all this recommendation. Man, look how tight it fits, bro. This is like the perfect, you saw everybody that's been wondering if it fits on these body style trucks, the 14 through 17 or 18, I believe. Yes, it does, and it fits perfectly. And you'll be able to run it without a rubber molding, which is gonna look super clean. The window is it's ready to glue in. Those holes are ready. Learn something. I hope you're learning something. Just about done with the install. This is where we're at. I got the window in, headliner in. Got to get the center console bolted in and get the seat bolted in. Get the rest of the headliner put in and we're done. Mounting the switch up there inside the instrument panel up there. So guys, man, subscribe, comment down below, let me know what you think. Subscribe. I'm doing more tie-in windows. I got a new window coming out. I got a new window that I'm going to be installing on my cat eye here soon, and that's one that you're not going to miss. It's going to be that you're not going to want to miss. It's going to be different. Nobody has it around here. Sorry, I got to keep the fan on because the bees are fucking vicious. Let me connect this switch real quick. Let's get this connected. The little check it out. Little low-key switch there. They're really I really didn't want to cut none of the dash apart. I really didn't want to put it anywhere else, really. You know, I could have, there's really not enough room to put it in here. We probably maybe could have hit it in here, but then you got to open this up and, you know, open that up for you to roll down your window. It's a wrap. I'm gonna pull the, I'm vacuuming it right now. I just gotta vacuum this last little spot right here. But let me show you how it works. Battery connected, key forward. Moment of truth, guys. Moment of truth. Let's see. Oh yeah. Check it out. Check it out. Oh yeah, I gotta put the third brake light back on. Man, look at that. That looks awesome. Again, let me show you. Got the switch right there. Gonna hit the switch. Lower it to wherever, whatever you want to, you know what I'm saying? If you're a little burning, leave your side windows open. You just want to smoke a little bit of privacy, whatever. Crack that back open. Or if you really want to, you know what I'm saying, cruise, put it all the way down. It looks dope, man. This thing looks badass. Guys, subscribe. I'm telling you, subscribe. Nobody teaches you how to do these windows. I teach you from start to finish how to do them. Alright guys, here it is, tie-in window in a 2015 GMC Denali single cab Mexico built truck. Again, this truck was built in Mexico. Check out the install, nice and tight gaps. Cop the merch at SiempreTumbado.com or on Instagram. Man, check out the install, clean install. I'm telling you guys, I'm telling you, nice and tight flush gap. Oh man, I love it. But nice clean install. Was able to put the factory trim piece on. Check it out, guys. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. So this is the first video that I've done on this year. So I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys that have this year truck that have been wanting to do this install, I hope you get the urge to do it. I hope you learn something. I hope, you know, I'm not the best teacher, man, but I try to explain stuff as thoroughly as I can. You know, there ain't really nobody teaching you how to do this stuff, and man, I'm way in Florida. I got way too much more than what I can handle. So if I can teach somebody how to do this shit in Wisconsin, hey buddy, I'm all for it. So send me a message on Instagram, SiempreTumbado. Send me an email on row813tv at gmail.com. If you want to purchase this kit, I have these windows for sale. I have the drain pan kits for sale. I have the glue for sale. I have the primer for sale. I have the large rubber moldings. So if you want to install this in your truck, send me a message. I got everything you need to get it installed. This thing turned out great. Look at this thing. Boy, this boy gonna be stunting. I want to build me another truck just so I can install another window like that. These bitches are bad. But guys, it's been fun. I hope you learned something. Subscribe down below. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification button. Comment what do you want me to do next? What year truck you want me to work on next? Man, I appreciate you guys. It's been a little journey. We've learned a lot. We've done a lot. We've traveled a lot. And I appreciate everybody who's been there since day one. Cop the merch, www.SiempreTumbado.com. Let me know if you need an install kit. I got you. And I'll catch you on the next install video, guys. My bad. I'm trying to rush home because I got to get the wife and we got to hit the road. All right, deuces.